Over time, text messages can pile up on your TECNO phone, slowing it down and cluttering your inbox. In this video, we'll show you 4 easy ways to delete SMS and keep your phone clean and private. Way 1. How to clear text messages on TECNO via Messages app. Option 1. Messages chat hold message delete. Option 2. Messages hold chat select more delete. Option 3. Messages hold chat delete. Way 2. How to delete text messages on TECNO phone with app settings. Messages menu settings find auto delete or message cleanup toggle on set duration. Way 3. How to delete SMS on TECNO using Google Messages. Install Google Messages set as default. Delete message. Open chat hold message tap delete. Delete chat. Hold chat tap delete. Multiple chats. Hold one select more tap delete. Way 4. How to delete text messages on TECNO from computer left bracket flexible right bracket. To delete texts and files easily on TECNO. Use Mobikin Assistant for Android. It's safe, virus-free, and scans your device for quick, hassle-free deletion. Step 1. Launch the program. Start the installed software on your computer. Connect your Android device using a USB cable and enable USB debugging on your phone, as instructed to allow the program to recognize your device. Step 2. Remove text messages after successful connection. Click on SMS from the left panel. All your text messages will appear on the right. Select the ones you wish to delete, then click the Delete button to erase them from your phone. Note: deleted SMS aren't gone instantly, they stay until overwritten. For permanent removal, use Mobikin Eraser for Android.